Welcome, my superstars. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my lovely students. Today, inshallah, we will finish our subject in our book We Can, and we will take the last lesson with me, which is lesson 4. After that, we will take a revision. Okay, first of all, my superstars, I will tell you what is the day and the date. Today is what, girls? Today is Monday, and the spelling is Monday, and the date is 3/4/1443 after Hijrah. So the day is Monday, Monday, and the date is 3/4/1443 after Hijrah. As I told you girls, today we will finish our subject and we will take lesson 4. The title of our unit is about charts. We will take 2 pages, girls, page 32 and 33. My lesson today is so easy, girls. Just focus with me. First of all, I will play with you ask and answer game. For example, girls, if I ask you, what chores do you do at home? Number 1, I set the table, I wash the dishes, I vacuum the floor, I clean up my room, and I take out the trash. Number 2, if I ask you, give me examples of sea animals. Like what? Fish, shark, dolphin, octopus, seahorse, and whales. Then, girls, if I ask you, make a sentence using as plus an adjective plus as. For example, Sarah is as tall as Emil. The cat is as cute as the bird. Compare between two persons using comparative adjectives. Like what? Like Salim is taller than Ali. And number 2, my room is bigger than yours. Okay? Let me start my own lesson for today, girls, and I will start with there is and there are. First of all, when can you use there is and there are, girls? We can use there is and there are to say that something exists. Again, we use there is and there are to say that something exists. For example, there is a cat under the chair. So we use there is for a singular word and there are for plural words. So we use there is for a singular word and there are for plural words. Okay? So we use there is and there are to say that something exists. We use there is for a singular word and there are for plural words. Okay? Let me give you examples. Use there is and there are. Here, a pencil on the table. We have to say there is a pencil on the table. There is a pencil on the table. Number 2, tables in the classroom. How many tables can you see? I can see more than one table. For this reason, I have to say there are tables in the classroom. So we have to use there is with one thing and there are with more than one thing. Here we have an apple in the kitchen. There is an apple in the kitchen. Books in the bag. Books in the bag, girls. Sorry, here we have I. Books were in the bag. Books in the bag. What should we use? We use there is or there are. Of course, there are. So, of course, there are. Okay, girls? So, there is an apple in the kitchen. And number 2, there are books in the bag. Okay? Now, phonics. How to pronounce words with AR, OR, and ER. For example, car, fork, and teacher. So, how to pronounce words with AR, OR, and ER like car, fork, and teacher. Let me give you some examples. How do we spell the word car? How to write the word car, girls? We have to say C-A-R. So, C-A-R, car. C-A-R. R. This is how to spell the word car, okay? So C-A-R, okay, girls? Let me complete my lesson. What is the hidden picture, girls? Number 2, can you tell me what is it? No, not yet. Now, can you tell me what is it? Yes, I think this is a park. This is what? A park. So, what is this? This is a park. How to spell the word park? P-A-R-K. So, how to spell the word park, girls? How to spell the word park? P-A-R-K. P-A-R-K. P-A-R and K. Okay? Let me complete. How many persons can you see here? I can see 4 persons in this picture. I can see a father, a mother, a brother, and a sister. And I can see also a dog. So I can give a name to this picture, and they are family. They are what? Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Okay? How many persons do you have in your family? If I ask you girls, how many persons do you have in your family? You have to say, wait a minute, girls. You have to say, I have, for example, I have, for example, 6 persons in my family. So again, girls, if I ask you, how many persons do you have in your family? I have 6 persons in my family. I have 6 persons in my family. So, what are the members of your family? What are the members of your family? The members of my family are, so, the members of my family are mother, father, brothers. How many brothers? Let me say 2 brothers and 4 sisters. Okay? For example, okay, girls? So, what are the members of your family? The members of my family are a mother, a father, 2 brothers, and 4 sisters. Okay? Let me complete my own lesson, girls. How to spell the word sister? S-I-S-T-E-R or S-I-S-T-A-R or C-I-S-T-E-R. Of course, the right answer is number 1. Okay? How to spell the word brother? Number 1, B-R-O-T-H-A-R or B-R-O-T-H-E-R or B-R-A-T-H-E-R. Of course, the right answer is number 2. Now, what is he? He's what? He's a doctor. So he is what? He is a doctor, girls. How to write the word doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. So D-O-C-T-O-R. This is how to write the word doctor, okay? What is your father's job? If I ask you girls, what is your father's job? What can you say? You have to say, my superstars, my father's job is a policeman. My father's job. So what is your father's job? My father's job is a doctor. My father's job is a policeman. My father's job is a teacher. My father's job is a mechanic. Okay? My father's job is an engineer. Okay, girls? My father's job is. What is this, girls? This is what? This is a fork. F-O-R-K. 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 This is what? This is a fork. F-O-R-K. F-O-R-K. This is how to write the word fork, okay? Now, girls, if I ask you, my superstars, write three words end with er, like what? Teacher, sister, and brother. Teacher, sister, and brother. Okay? Now open your book, please. My superstars, page number, I think 23, 32, sorry, and 33, 32 and 33, and listen, please. Listen, my superstars. Open your book and write the day with the date, please. After that, you have to listen.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. Listen to words with AR, OR, and ER. Car, fork, teacher.
Car, fork, teacher.
Good. Now you do it.
Car, fork, teacher,
Okay, girls, read and write AR, OR, OR, and ER. He is playing with a toy car, AR. Number 2, there is a horse on the farm, AR. Number 3, he is a doctor, OR. Number 4, Judy has 3 brothers, ER. Do you have a sister, ER? They like to play in the park, AR. He is eating with a fork, OR. Number 8, it's dark, AR, at night. It's dark at night, okay? Now, listen, please. Can you listen to the word and then spell it? Listen, please.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. Spelling bee. Can you listen to the word and then spell it?
First pair. Are you ready? Let's start. How do you spell fork?
O
F-O-R-K.
R K.
That's right. One.
So, my superstars, we will play this game together in my virtual class. Your homework in the activity book is page 101 and 102. Here, read and match the words with the pictures, and this is so easy. Here, we have to write. Listen and say the spelling, then write. Listen, please.
Goal 31. I can read and write words with AR, car, ER, teacher, or OR, fork. 2. Listen and say the spelling. 1,
How do you spell wash?
W-A-S-H.
Did you say W-A-S-H?
2,
How do you spell robot?
R-O-B-O.
Did you say R-O-B-E-O-T?
Girls, you have to write your answers, okay?
3,
How do you spell drink?
D-R-I-N-K.
Did you say D-R-I-N-K?
4,
How do you spell smile? Did you say S-M-I-L-E?
5,
How do you spell bread? Did you say B-R-E-A-D?
6,
How do you spell house? Did you say H-O-U-S-E?
So, girls,
Now
you can
write
do
the
it by
words.
yourself. You can do it by yourself after listening. Now, listen and write the missing words. My brother has a new car. Her father is a doctor and her mother is a teacher. He can't use a computer, for he has a horse on his farm. Here, girls, you have to write some words that end with ER. Then write the words that end with AR, OR, and ER here, okay? This is the end of my lesson today, my superstars. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you